Hello friends, is your car's air conditioning acting up? Maybe the cooling is inconsistent or the AC compressor isn't working as expected. If your obd2 scanner is showing code P0538, it means there's an issue with the AC evaporator temperature sensor circuit high voltage. Ignoring this can lead to poor cooling performance, inefficient fuel usage, and even potential AC system damage. In this video, I'll explain what P0538 means, its symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is P0538? The P0538 code stands for AC Evaporator Temperature Sensor Circuit High Voltage. This means that the engine control module is receiving an abnormally high voltage signal from the evaporator temperature sensor, which is responsible for monitoring the refrigerant temperature inside the evaporator core. Common symptoms of P0538: AC not cooling properly or blowing warm air, AC compressor running continuously or shutting off unexpectedly, check engine light or AC warning light on unusual AC system behavior, like inconsistent cooling, higher cabin humidity or fogging windows. If you notice these symptoms, let's locate the faulty sensor. Sensor and component locations. Where to find them? To diagnose P0538, check these key components. AC evaporator temperature. Sensor location inside the HVAC unit, near or inside the evaporator core, usually behind the dashboard. AC compressor and clutch location. Front of the engine, driven by the serpentine belt. HVAC Control Module location. Behind the dashboard controls the climate system. Wiring harness and connectors location. Runs from the evaporator sensor to the ECM and HVAC module. Tip: a faulty evaporator temperature sensor can cause your AC to misbehave, leading to discomfort in extreme temperatures. Common causes of P0538, faulty AC evaporator temperature sensor. The sensor may be malfunctioning or sending incorrect signals. Wiring or connector issues. Loose, corroded or broken wires can lead to incorrect voltage readings. HVAC control module malfunction. A faulty control module may interpret sensor data incorrectly, ECM or electrical faults. In rare cases, a software issue or module failure can cause P0538. Short circuit in the system. A short in the wiring harness can cause excessive voltage. How to fix P0538? Step 1. Scan the system with an obd2 scanner to confirm the P0538 code. Step 2. Locate the evaporator temperature sensor inside the HVAC unit. Step 3. Inspect wiring and connectors for any loose, corroded or damaged connections. Step 4. Test the sensor using a multimeter. If the resistance values are out of range, replace it. Step 5. Check the HVAC control module for any software updates or malfunctions. Step 6. Look for any short circuits in the wiring harness. Step 7. Clear the code and test the AC system to ensure proper function. If you ignore P0538, your AC system may fail, leading to discomfort and potential damage to the HVAC components. Fixing it early will keep your car cool and running efficiently. For more car troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0326. Knock sensor range performance issue P0327. Knock sensor circuit low input. Like, share and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.